Hey beautiful people, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super requested Unicorn Slimes unboxing video. I always want your guys' feedback, so please let me know in the comments down below what famous Slimer you would like me to unbox and review next. And as always, these reviews are 100% my honest opinion. I always try to give the positives and the negatives if there are any, so I hope you guys enjoy that. I also definitely want to know what videos you guys want to see from me, so please leave some video ideas of what you would like to see me create in the comments down below. It could be a popular challenge, it could be slime related, it could be something completely new. Please just let me know what you want to see, and I'm still filling in my schedule for April, so you could get like a little say in what videos I post, so that would be super helpful. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. But wait, before we jump into this video, I wanted to let you guys know I have a new slime channel with all types of slime ASMR and compilation videos. So if you love slime, definitely make sure to check it out, and I'll link it down below in the description box. It's just My Slime Shack, so make sure to go check it out. Alright, so for this review, I ordered 3 8-ounce slimes, and the total came out to about $53, so a little more than $17 a slime, which I think is average to slightly above average price for an 8-ounce slime. And it also came with a ton of candy as well and extras. So the only thing I will say is the yellow slime did leak some, which I was really surprised because 1, it was in a box, which usually helps prevent it from leaking, and 2, the actual container wasn't cracked. So I think maybe it was just overfilled a little bit. So some of the slime did get everywhere, but as you could see, the container is still like really full and it had no cracks in it. It was still definitely usable. And so this slime is Easter sugar cookie, and it smells amazing. It smells like yellow cake almost, and the texture, oh my gosh, you guys, I am living for this texture. It has some really cute sprinkles in it. I wish it had maybe a little bit more because there weren't too many, but the texture was incredible. Like, it's super thick. It's like a clay slime where it's not quite a butter slime, but it still has some clay in it to make it just really thick and really nice. It's awesome for poking, and I was just so in love with this texture. It's just so good. It's probably one of my favorite slimes that I actually have. I love this one so much. Next is Cosmic Wave, which is supposed to be like a marbled clear based slime, and unfortunately it did mix pretty much completely in the mail. I always expect it to mix some. I wish it would have been a little bit more unmixed, but it makes up for it because this color is just absolutely beautiful. It was a little bit sticky, so I had to add some activator, but the slime was amazing for a clear slime. It had an awesome texture. It wasn't too stiff, and it was still great for poking. So I think this is just a beautiful color, and I was happy with this one. It was unscented as well. Last but not least, I have a white chocolate melt, which smells just like chocolate, and this one is a very thick slime. However, it's not quite as thick as the first one. It's not a clay-based slime, it's just a thick slime, and it has a really nice thick texture. I really love how pokeable all these slimes are. I think they were really good quality, and this one didn't need any activator as well, so that's even like bonus points in my mind. So this one was again a hit. I really like this one, and it smelled really good too. I want to know which slime was your favorite out of these, and if you've tried unicorn slimes before, what were your thoughts and your opinions? I would love to know, and as always, you can click on over to the side of me if you missed my past videos, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!